Good afternoon, Rich Nass with Embedded Computing Design. I'm here in the exhibit floor at Sensors Expo. We're actually taking a break from the Industrial IoT University that's going on in the classroom over there. I'm here with Dave Burleton. He's with Laird Technologies, and he's representing the Connectivity Solutions Group. Did I get that right, Dave?
Absolutely correct, yes.
Good. Okay, and one of the things we were talking about is one of my favorite topics is where in the IoT space, particularly the industrial IoT space, engineers are asked to do something that they're not so comfortable with. For example, you have an engineer who's a motor designer or a garage door opener designer, as an example, and all of a sudden he has to connect this thing to the internet, and he says, "That's great. How do I do that?" And we're having this conversation. Dave actually has a solution for people like that.
Well, that's true, and whatever the statistics are, we hear different ones about how many billions of connected devices there will be by 2020, and the reality is, if that's going to come true, like you said, a lot of companies that have never had to create a smart connected product are going to have to do it, right? So where can they go for help, right?
Mm-hmm.
And when you talk about wireless, what's changed over even just the last 5-10 years is where the wireless ends, right? At some point it was kind of point-to-point, M-to-M communications.
Mm-hmm.
Well, now when we talk Internet of Things, for the most part you're talking connection to the cloud and then connection out to a mobile app.
Okay, but you lost me a little bit there.
Okay.
I want to put my garage door opener on the cloud?
Yeah.
Why?
Why would you want to place it on the cloud? Typically, the reason people are going to look at cloud connectivity is because they're looking for a use case scenario where they need anytime, anywhere access, right? So if I've left the home, I'm on my way to work, I want to double check that I closed the garage door that morning, I can do that, and I don't necessarily have to be within a certain proximity to my home. And that's where a cloud technology would certainly help.
Yep, that makes perfect sense. Now, assure me that it's not that hard to do that.
It can be simple, but it isn't naturally simple at the same time, right? There's a lot that goes into it. There's the radio that needs to go into the product. Mm-hmm. That could be a chip down design. Could be a module, which could accelerate some of those things for you. The benefits of a module being certified, having the antenna often integrated in, can help that design quite a bit. But you also have to address the cloud issue, address the mobile app. So it does have to be approached as a system solution.
And which of these pieces does Laird offer?
Ironically, all of them, to be honest. What we are able to do is we offer RF certified modules, but we also offer design services, which span everything from industrial design and user experience, all the way through to the hardware design, antenna design, firmware programming, all the way out to mobile app development.
Well, there you go. Dave Burleton, Laird Technologies, Rich Nass, Embedded Computing Design. Have a great day.